This is how my beard looked a few months ago. As you can see, I had some growth, but it was very limited. At the same point of time, I was also experiencing a lot of hair loss. So I decided to start with hair growth products, such as minoxidil and derma stamping. I have another video explaining all I do for my hair growth and hair loss. However, here is the result I got in just a few months. Since I was starting with this, I figured I would try it for my beard as well, and the results were shocking. In just a few months, I went from looking like this to looking like this, and here is everything I have been doing to get this result. First of all, I use minoxidil 2 times every day, once in the morning and once in the evening. I spray it to the beard area, rub it in, and let it dry on its own. Other than that, I also use a derma stamp 1 to 3 times a week. The derma stamp causes micro injuries in your skin, which increases blood flow to these areas, which can help with beard and hair growth. I started at a lower needle length and worked my way up to around 1.5 millimeters. And this is all I have done to increase my beard growth by a lot in just a few months.